Hello, hi, my name is Ella and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. This video is going to be a makeup tutorial, more like summer makeup tutorial because you're getting ready for summer and I just wanted to show you a makeup tutorial for summer. It's going to be summer vibes, it's going to be fresh, it's going to be light, and it's going to be hopefully nice to wear at summer. I already did my base. It's my usual base. I have it in a makeup tutorial that I was shooting as my first video, so yeah, go watch the rest in that video if you want to, but we are going to be focusing more on the eyes and the lips in this video. So that's that, and let's get to the video. I found some inspiration pictures, so I'm gonna give you them here. I think they're pretty cool, so I'm gonna try to do that. The first thing that we are going to do is like an eyeshadow base. We're going to grab like a neutral but kind of pinkish eyeshadow shade. I'm going to be using this palette. It's Rival Love Me Oriental Flames eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna try to make like a little wing, but also like kind of not, like you're gonna basically apply it on the lid and try to make like a wing with it, but like just like softly. I'm gonna also put it always under my eye. I'm gonna change the eyeshadow palette because I think you're gonna go with this. It's the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Reloaded Marvelous Mates eyeshadow palette. This palette has like a lot of colors, as you can tell. I'm gonna use also like this peachy pink vibe. Yeah, I'm gonna go with a little bit of red because I think like this look is kind of like making your eyes look like you cried or something. It's like you have glittery tears. I know I'm saying like go to summer look, but it's more like summer vibes, I feel like. Like this. Now it's time for the eyeliner. It's the Epic Ink liner. Now we are going to go with the eye pencil. This is the Florence by Mills What's My Line eyeliner. I'm gonna be pulling my eye, so if you don't like that, look away. I'm gonna give you like the time where it's happening. And now we are going to the fun part, or I feel like the fun part, which is glitter. I love glitter so much. Glitter Brilliance, and it's NYX Professional Makeup Face and Body Glitter, and I have the shade Rose. I'm gonna first apply on my lid this. This is the YoSoFunny.com liquid highlighter. It's cruelty free and vegan. I'm gonna be using the glitter primer. This is what I use to stick my glitter on my eye, and I'm gonna apply a little bit on my hand, and I'm gonna go and put this on where I want to have my glitter at. Now we are going to the part where I'm going to put like little tears, like they're going to be like falling out of my eye, or like I'm gonna do that with the same glitter. I might start with like an eyeshadow that's really pigmented. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera. So I added more like detail with the glitter tears. So this looks like this. I hope you can see. And now I'm gonna give it some gems. I have these from like some random shop where you usually have like art stuff. So I have these pink ones. So these are the eyes. I'm gonna add mascara. And I also found out that you don't actually, instead of doing it with the shimmer eyeshadow, you could do it with the liquid highlight, because it makes like a really nice color, and it also matches my glitter, so it's basically perfect for it. But I didn't know that before, so I just added that, and now I'm going to do the mascara. I have this one. It's the Lash Princess Curl and Body Mascara by Essence. We are going to get to the lip. I'm gonna go with this lipstick. It's the NYX Liquid Cream Lipstick, and it's the shade Cherry Skies. It's such a good shade. The lipstick overall, I don't love it because it just doesn't stay on as long as I would wish a lipstick to stay on. And I'm just gonna do like the ombre lip. And I'm gonna go with this lip oil by Florence by Mills. It's called Glow Yeah Lip Oil, and it's cruelty free and vegan. So this is the look. I think I kind of like it. I'm gonna also put setting spray on it. I'm gonna set it with the setting spray so that our glitter stays longer on our face. It was pretty fast. You can match it with like a nice outfit. I love black, so I'm gonna probably match it with like a black t-shirt, or you can go with pink because it also has like pink vibes, or you can match it with like anything that you like. Yeah, so this is my summer look. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will get inspired by it. I hope you like this video. If you do, comment down below which outfit you would choose with this look. Like if you like this video, and subscribe if you like me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye!